Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Are you suffering from postpartum shedding, excess breakage, slow hair growth, thinning of hair? Does your hair always litter on the ground each time you comb it? Then don't skip this video because this oil focuses on hair growth and breakage. It will also help thicken your hair, grow it faster and longer in no time. So if you're interested, I'll advise you keep on watching. So now let's move into the video. So the first ingredient is ginger, which I already went behind the camera, cleaned and diced into smaller pieces. There are so many benefits of ginger when it comes to hair growth. Ginger helps to cure any scalp issues because it has antiseptic properties that can help kill any bacteria on your scalp and also work with dandruff and red scalp issues. It also helps to improve the circulation of the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn promotes longer and stronger hair. So for those of you that want to know the exact quantity that I used in this video, it was about 8 teaspoons of this diced ginger that I made. This quantity of ginger can last you over 2 to 3 months or so, depending on how you use it, or if you're using it only for yourself, it can last 2 to 3 months or so. So I'm pouring my ginger into my blender right now. Please, if you have watched me from the beginning till now, guys, and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please baby, please love, consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe. And also, if you're new to my channel, welcome baby, consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So the second ingredient is cloves. If you're suffering from hair loss, slow hair growth, thinning of hair, then consider using cloves because it will help to thicken and grow your hair. So now I'll be pouring in 3 teaspoons of my cloves into the blender. There are so many benefits of cloves when it comes to hair growth. Cloves help your hair combat dry and split ends. It also actively strengthens your existing hair and adds volume over time when used consistently. So now I'll be pouring in my DIY coconut oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice like extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, or any oil you desire. So after that, I'll go ahead and blend. Transferred it into my stove on low heat and I cooked it for about 15 minutes, and I will keep it aside for close to an hour for it to cool down. And after that, I'm straining it with my strainer and pant hose. You can use filter cloth, cheesecloth, even a paper wipe or something to strain it. If you don't have anything nice to do that, it will still help you as well. So some frequently asked questions about cloves and ginger oil is, does it reduce hair loss? To answer this question, first, if you suffer from hair loss, it may be due to stress or weakening hair follicles, which in turn are caused by environmental conditions or a consistently dry scalp. Whatever the reason for your hair loss or thinning hair, if not treated, it will worsen. Clove and ginger oil is an excellent natural nourishing and conditioning agent both for your scalp and hair. It helps your hair combat dry and split ends. It also actively strengthens your existing hair and adds volume over time when used consistently. This oil also helps your scalp health improve, and in doing so helps your hair growth increase in a way that is healthy and boasts long-term benefits. If your hair is beginning to look or feel a little bit dry and lackluster, with your coils losing texture and appearing dehydrated, lifeless and brittle, it is a strong indication that your hair needs a little tender love and care. If you use clove and ginger oil regularly, you will find that scalp itchiness and dandruff decreases significantly. This is because of the oil's incredible antifungal, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties. Moreover, your scalp will have an increased blood flow and will be more hydrated. Guys, if you have watched me from the beginning till now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please baby, please love, consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't get to miss any of my upload or miss out on any of my videos that is coming up. One good thing about this oil is you don't need any preservative because we cooked the ginger, so it is not going to get bad anytime soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will move on to the application process. I use this oil as my regular oil every day. If your hair is low or it doesn't grow, start applying this oil and you will see great changes, and your hair is going to grow no matter how stubborn it is. So did you give me any like? If no, please, I will appreciate if you like this video, share, and if you have any question relating to this video, please kindly write it in the comment section. Let's talk about it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.